Welcome back, my fellow seekers of wisdom, and a warm welcome to all new subscribers. I invite you all to embark on an extraordinary journey with me through the YouTube. It's a free YouTube course called Become a Modern Day Alchemist. Now, this course builds upon the foundation of being a modern day alchemist, where we will learn how to transform our ideas into tangible manifestations. And the best part, all without the need of money. I think in the times that we're at, this is one of the most valuable skills that you can learn. Just imagine for a moment that you've got the ability to come up with an idea, and there's a process to get to an idea, to test this idea, to see if this idea is feasible enough to convert that, say, for example, in a business, and then to start a business with no money, literally no money, no security, nothing like that. And this is the basis of being a modern day alchemist. Now, of course, the moment that you're a modern day alchemist, you can speed up this whole process that much faster. But this is a basis. In other words, I can convert an idea into physical gold. I can convert it into a computer. I can convert it into a car. I can convert it into a house. And the best part is I don't need to go to the bank, show an income statement, or try to please the bank by giving them other security that I've got. This is a phenomenal skill to be able to have. So I want you to fasten your seatbelt because the power of alchemy awaits. So allow me to introduce myself, perhaps to those of you joining maybe for the first time. I'm Dreyer, and I'm going to be your guide and your mentor through this transformative path of modern day alchemy. As a modern day alchemist, I've discovered the secret of turning one form of energy into another. Now, it's not really a secret because it's been going on for thousands of years. This is not a new study. In fact, this is age-old discovery that we're now beginning to tap in. It's in the world, but we've lost the plot that everything is energy, and if everything is energy, we can change one form of energy into another, because there's only actually one form of energy. That is the law of mentalism. Everything is one. So that has allowed me to manifest ideas and thoughts into the physical realities, whether it's gold or money or cars or helicopters or goat farms or you name. As an alchemist of connection, so there's a couple of ways that we operate, and one of the ways are through connections. We recognize that the interconnectedness of all things, everything, like I've said, according to the law of one, is one. The first law, the law of mentalism. We embrace the unity of existence, knowing that our actions ripple through the fabric of reality. And by nurturing harmonious relationships, because everything is in a relationship. If everything is energy, everything is in a relationship, and therefore acting in alignment with the principles of unity. My friend, that is when we unlock the powers to manifest our desires. So today, we delve into the powerful principle of unity and its profound impact on our lives. Recognizing oneness in all things is not just about an abstract concept. It holds the key to unlocking your true potential. And by understanding that we are interconnected with everything and everyone around us, we literally tap into that wellspring of abundance and harmony. From a modern day's alchemist perspective, the principles of unity has a very far-reaching implication, especially in the realm of wealth and success and in the manifestation of that. So when we acknowledge the interconnected nature of reality, we realize that wealth flows through a channel of unity because it's one way. And by fostering positive connections and contributing to the well-being of others, in that process, we create an harmonious environment where prosperity can thrive. I want you to think about it when you support others in their pursuit of success. You are literally planting seeds of goodwill that will eventually bear fruit in your own life. Collaborations, partnerships, and networking. Those opportunities arise naturally when you embody the principle of unity. And by practicing acts of kindness, of generosity, and sharing your wealth. In other words, by sharing your knowledge, you're sharing wealth, because an idea is energy. You align yourself with the universal flow of abundance. However, it's essential to recognize, remember we're busy here with duality, that the negative impact and disunity of scarcity thinking, in other words, by having a limited mindset, when we see ourselves as separate from others, that is when we're trying to hoard our resources out of fear. And in doing so, we block the flow of prosperity into our own lives. This scarcity mindset breeds lack. But unity mindsets, that attracts limitless possibilities. I hope that you see how these principles work. The principle of unity resonates strongly with the Hermetic principle of correspondence, which basically states, as above, so below, or as within, so without. Just as unity exists in the vast cosmos, it is also reflected within each and every one of us. By harmonizing our inner selves with the external world, we open the gateway to limitless wealth and success. Now, from a biblical perspective, we find teachings that align with the principles of unity. For example, in the books of Proverbs, it's written, one gives freely, yet grows all the richer. Another withholds what he should give, and only suffers want. So this wisdom underscores, and you can look at all the alchemical teachers, the master teachers, in all of the literature, this is going to come through. This wisdom underscores the power of unity, of generosity, and of sharing in the manifestation of wealth. So what's your task today? I'd like to invite you to reflect upon the principle of unity and how it relates to your own life. And then I want you to take a moment to consider the interconnectedness of all things and the impact of actions. And those actions, the impact that is got on others. Or maybe you to find one practical way to contribute to the well-being of someone around you. I don't know, maybe it's a kind gesture or a helping hand or sharing your knowledge. So embrace the power of unity and watch as it opens a floodgate of abundance in your life. Now, as we conclude this transformative lesson, I want you to remember that unity is not just a concept, but it's a way of life. And embody the principle of unity in your thoughts, in your words, and in your actions. And I'm sure that you're going to witness a miraculous transformation that is going to bring. By recognizing oneness in all things, you become the master of manifestation and effortlessly creating wealth, riches, and success in your life. If this lesson has resonated with you, I'd like to encourage you to this video and then share it with others who are ready to embrace their inner alchemist. And then also leave a comment sharing your experience with unity and abundance. And then I really want to thank you for watching this video and diving deeper into the world of modern day alchemy. If you haven't already, I invite you to watch the full course. Start right in this playlist from the lesson 1. Also in the description area, you'll find the link to this playlist. And then start with lesson 1 and then each and every day do another lesson. In doing so, getting deeper and deeper into this, into becoming a modern day alchemist. And then over a 91-day period, we're going to explore ideas that will empower you to manifest your dreams. Also, make sure to stay tuned for the next lesson as we continue this transformative journey together. And then lastly, I want to extend a special invitation to sign up. That is, if you haven't done so, for our free online masterclass called the Golden Key Masterclass. So in this masterclass, we will delve even deeper into the manifestation process and in the process unlock the secrets to creating your desired reality. I'm going to get into that masterclass and tell you why is it that people fail? Why is it that we're not getting the results that we need to get? And then I'm going to show you that there are two parts. Remember, we are busy with this duality at the moment, but there are two parts of this attraction and manifestation process. It's not that I can attract something. I need to attract it, and then I need to build the skills. And I'm going to show you what skills you need as a modern day alchemist in order to create literally anything from nothing. In other words, you not even have got an idea, and then oops, there's the idea. Then you take that idea, and through a process, a method that we go through, you manifest that idea into reality, and then that reality becomes this that you want in your life. You're going to find the link to sign up in the description area, basically below this video. And then also don't miss out on this opportunity to really unlock the golden key to your dreams. It is really powerful stuff. Thank you once again for being with me, for spending time with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson.